Hello, welcome back again. Who amongst us remembered rice and beans mixed together? So that is what I'm going to be cooking. You are all welcome back again to my channel. My name is Stella. For those of you that are new to my channel, thank you for coming. And for those of my old subscribers, I do appreciate. So over here I have black eye beans. That is what I'm going to be using, and that is few cups of rice, and I have my tomatoes, bell pepper, and onions. You can use any onion of your choice. So I'm going to be washing the beans. You wash your beans properly to remove some chemicals that was used to preserve it against weevils or insects. So I usually boil my beans because I need to make sure that those chemicals are out. So I just boiled it and I'm rinsing it out with a clear water. Then after this, I have to put it back in the pot and allow it to cook to the point that I will now add the rice into it to mix it together. So this is the rice. I'm going to soak it for a few moments before I add it to the beans. And I'm going to be blending my tomatoes and bell pepper. This is what I'm going to use to mix it together. I remember as a little girl, this is a local way of making rice and beans together. At times you can cook it separately, but you can as well mix it in form of jollof. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be doing. Now I fried my onion and I'm frying the tomatoes and the pepper together. I'm going to allow it to cook for 5 minutes or so, but when it's cooked, you know that it is ready. So this is the sauce that is being prepared. I just added my meat stock to give it flavor because that stock is well seasoned and you still get some flavor from your meat. Stir it very well. I'm adding my chicken stock. And that is ginger powder that I just added. Mix everything together. I have a piece of Kenyan pepper, that is a dry pepper that I just added in it. I'm going to leave it to be cooking with the rice. So I added my rice into the mixture of the sauce. And I'm going to be adding the beans that was already pre-cooked. You saw me cooking the beans. That is the beans I just added to the rice. So I'm giving it a quick turn. The rice is not cooked and the beans is half cooked. So I'm going to allow the rice to cook together with the beans. You add enough water, enough liquid that will help the rice to cook properly. So I just covered with parchment paper. You can use your foil paper to cover it to help retain the heat into the pot because it's kind of steam cooking. So your heat is low, and you cover your pot so that the cover is going to trap the heat inside. And here is the rice and beans prepared, is ready. You can eat it with fish, chicken, or you can eat it like this because it's just like beans. You can as well eat it with fried plantain. So thank you all for watching my videos. I really do appreciate. Please do not hesitate to like, to share, and if you are new and you have not subscribed, I will appreciate if you do that. Thank you so much. I will see you guys in my next video. Have a good day. Bye.